is Callie Velikoff, and I am a project manager and civil engineer at Coffman. The project types I get to work on as a civil engineer for Coffman, we do a lot of projects that directly impact our community in a really positive way, from hospitals and school projects to doing work that supports public transportation, roads and bridges, and critical infrastructure, all things that make a civilization work. Skills that make for an effective engineer are being able to communicate effectively, organization, math skills, creativity. The educational base that you need is university or college. My personal path was I obtained a bachelor's degree in science in civil engineering, and that was my gateway into the professional world of civil engineering. I myself was not the strongest student, but it was my perseverance and determination that was able to give way to becoming a civil engineer. There are so many options out there within civil engineering. The thing that keeps me coming back every day, collaborating with my team, knowing that there's going to be a new challenge today and we collectively are going to come up with a really awesome, creative, and innovative solution.
Learn more about careers and career paths at careerexplorenw.org.